to the channel and happy Monday. As you could tell from the title of this vlog, this week is my last week with my current team. It's a very bittersweet moment for me because this was the very first team I joined as a software engineer, and I learned a lot. I made a lot of great connections and I worked with so many amazing people, but it was time for me to leave, and I'll probably explain more throughout this video, but for now it's Monday and I've got things to do. So let's start our work day. I have a few meetings in the morning, and because it's my last work week, my main priority is doing a lot of knowledge transfers. So I have some documents to write so that I could present some demos and knowledge transfer for the team. So that'll be my main priority today. I also just recently launched a new feature for my team and we're still in the launch phase. So I've been helping with the support for that launch, and yeah, it's been a pretty chill couple weeks because I just finished a major project and I'm also kind of in a limbo stage where I'm leaving this team and joining a new team. So yeah, let's just get started with the work week and I'll kind of explain more what I'm doing as I'm departing this team. Guys, happy Monday. So for the rest of the afternoon, I'm gonna try to finish writing this document that I started on Friday, but I don't know about you guys, but I really hate writing in general. I need to write the doc, but I'm so not motivated to do it. But I gotta do it. Just gotta power through and write that document. I am about to head into the office now. Let's go. So today is a demo day. I have to present to my team org, so I'm just trying to prepare for that demo for the afternoon. It's like in an hour. I've been procrastinating, so I'm trying to finish up the demo doc right now. Who else relates to that? So today is my second to last day with the team, and I was mainly just focusing on gathering all of my past projects and the code links and any design docs so that I could set up a knowledge transfer with my teammates tomorrow, which is my official last day. So far it's been a really good chill week, I guess. But yeah, right now, before I head out to a farewell dinner that my teammates set up for me, I was just writing a few thank you cards to some of my OG teammates. I've been working with a few of them for nearly 3 years, and I don't know how else to say this, but I think the relationships that I had with my coworkers and my teammates, they were probably one of the most important relationships that I've had in the past few years. I honestly don't think I could have survived my corporate tech life without any of them, and they really mean a lot to me. I'm really appreciative because a lot of them created a really safe environment for me to learn and just make mistakes and learn from them, I guess. I don't know how else to say it, but I really appreciate every single one of them. So I just wanted to articulate how I feel through writing because I don't think I could say it to them in person just by talking. So I just needed to gather my thoughts and write it down. And look how cute these cards are. Got them from Amazon. My team is actually a cat team. A lot of us own cats or cat parents, so I thought this was very fitting card to have. So I'm just gonna finish writing these cards and head out to my team dinner soon. But before I go, I guess I wanted to kind of explain why I'm leaving my team. Essentially, I'm leaving my team because I just want something different, and I think with my current team, I feel like I've learned enough to move on and try a different domain and different tech stack and just experience something different. I did have some personal reasons why I decided to leave my team, but I want to keep this channel like a positive channel, so I don't really want to go towards any of the negative things that I experienced. But I think the main reason why I'm leaving is for my own growth, both professionally and personally. I always talk about this, but I really prioritize growth. Growth is one of my biggest values in life, and I think at a certain point with my current team, I just wasn't growing as fast as I wanted to, or I wasn't being challenged as much. So that was probably the main reason why I wanted to leave and just venture out and experience something new. I don't know why I'm so bad at articulating myself right now. Maybe because this is kind of like an emotional topic for me, but at the end of the day, I'm really grateful for my time with my current team, but I think it's an end of an era and it's time for me to learn from a new environment and challenge myself, which is why I'm leaving. And I'm excited to show you guys my onboarding process and any struggles that I may be going through with that. Or yeah, I'm just excited to continue on my career journey, and I think this new team change is gonna be very exciting, and yeah, I'm excited to just document how it goes. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna give this boy a snack because he keeps yelling at me right now, and then head to dinner.
My secret is out. I actually really wanted to document my work week, like my last work week here, so that's why I was like telling Mia, should I vlog right now?
I'm currently heading into the office for one final meeting with my team. The weather is so nice right now and it doesn't make me want to work, but it's my last day, so let's go and get it done. broken. Summarize everything that we needed for it to be summarized. Hi. So I just got back from dropping Howell off at his cat sitter's place, and I'm already missing him so much because my apartment feels so empty without him, but it'll be fine. He's very adaptable, so he's already doing very well at his cat sitter's place. But yeah, I'm gonna end my night packing. I leave tomorrow morning for my trip to Korea and Japan, but I haven't packed yet, so I'm just gonna spend the rest of my night getting everything settled and head out tomorrow morning. Yeah. Anyway, I'm really tired. Let's just get packing.